In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to contact Monday.com support quickly and easily, step by step. Whether you're having trouble with your boards, automations, integrations, billing, or just need help understanding a feature, knowing how to reach support directly can save you a lot of time and frustration. I'll walk you through the exact process so you can get help fast. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software tutorials just like this. All right, let's get started. First, go ahead and log into your Monday.com account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main dashboard. This is the screen where you can see your boards, workspaces, and overall activity. Make sure you're fully logged in because the support options are only available from inside your account. Now that you're on your dashboard, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small question mark icon. This is the help icon. It's easy to miss if you're not looking for it, but it's the key to accessing support. Click on the question mark help icon. As soon as you click it, a panel will slide open from the right-hand side of your screen. This is the help menu. Inside this menu, you'll see several support-related options, including help articles, guides, and different ways to get assistance. From this right side menu, look for the option that says Chat with us. This is the direct way to contact Monday.com support. Go ahead and click on Chat with us. Once you click it, a chat window will open. Depending on the time of day and your plan type, you may first interact with an automated assistant. Don't worry, this is normal. You can briefly describe your issue in the chat box. If your question requires human support, you'll typically be connected to a live support agent or guided to submit a ticket. When describing your issue, be as specific as possible. Include the name of the board, automation, integration, or feature you're having trouble with. If there's an error message, copy and paste it directly into the chat. The more details you provide, the faster the support team can assist you. If live chat isn't immediately available, the system may offer to create a support ticket instead. In that case, simply fill out the requested information, explain your issue clearly, and submit the form. You'll receive a confirmation, and their team will follow up via email. And that's it. That's exactly how you contact Monday.com support directly from your dashboard using the help icon and chat feature. It's quick, built right into your account, and usually the fastest way to resolve issues. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow Monday.com tutorials and software how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.